All right, we now move on to speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a piece of equipment that is important in your home. So,
There are many equipments or tools in my house, but I would I would like to use for different purposes. Today I will talk about the vacuum cleaner that I use for cleaning purpose. I use vacuum cleaner in one or two times a week on day off. Vacuum cleaner uh, I would I clean, but the whole house cleaning and the cleaning of furniture is much time consuming. It is a electronic device, and it was approximately 10,000 rupees, and it is
okay, thank you. Overall, it's good, but you're taking too much time to produce the ideas.
yeah.
So, you should practice these topics so that you speak fluently. Right now, you're speaking with so many pauses and you are very slow. I mean, there is no problem if you are slow as long as you are fluent. So, you have pauses and you are slow. That means you're struggling with the language. This thing shows that. So, try to practice all these topics time and again so that you become fluent,
Inshallah.
right? That's
Yeah.
important. Now, let's move on. Speaking part 3. How do you think modern technology has changed the way we work?
Actually, modern technology a great revolution in the global change. We we use different gadgets to use like smartphones to connect each other. Mean to say, technology, we talk another person on from other country through technology like internet, using internet.
All
Then
right. Okay. So for part 3, come up with more ideas. And overall, you are very slow.
yes,
Try to focus that thing. Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.